The following tutorial explains how to extend a CEREC Club contract to DS Core Care. Please note that the following information does not apply to CEREC Club members in the USA, Canada, and Brazil. Let's begin. With the launch of DS Core Care, we introduced the evolution of the CEREC Club. While the CEREC Club has served customers well in the past, the new combination of DS Core Care and DS Core enables next-level service, smarter protection, and more efficient troubleshooting. This comprehensive equipment service and support solution provides comfort knowing your equipment is protected and supported from day one. While many of our customers already enjoy DS Core Care, today we introduce a solution for those still in their initial CEREC Club contract period. Let me show you how they can now easily extend their CEREC Club contract from years 1 to 3 into DS Core Care for years 4 to 6. We start in the practice profile on DS Core and click on Subscriptions. If you see a message indicating that your account is not ready, it means we are currently validating it. This may take up to 72 hours for your equipment to appear. Once this process is complete, you will be ready to proceed. If you have an eligible CEREC Club contract, your subscription page will show it. Here you can extend your CEREC Club contracts in year 1 to 3 to years 4 to 6 in DS Core Care. If you are expecting to see a piece of equipment but it's not showing up, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help, and you can contact us through the support email listed on the bottom of the page. We have also provided a link to a comparison between DS Core Care and CEREC Club. This resource helps answer your questions regarding the transition to DS Core Care. To proceed, select Extend. This action will direct you to the order screens, where you can view all the advantages of the DS Core Care package. Please note, the second contract term spans 3 years, starting from the 3rd anniversary of your device's installation. Your initial payment is due on this date and will be processed using the payment method established in DS Core. We are almost done. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Then click Place Order to extend your CEREC Club contract to DS Core Care. Finally, when you get back to your subscription overview, you might notice that the CEREC Club toggle is no longer there. That's because all your contracts have now been successfully extended to DS Core Care. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.